1992 Topps Cello pack. We're going to do some Cello packs today. Just did an 88 Topps. Let's check out this 34 card 1992 Topps Cello pack. No gum in this one, even though I brought my chaser out. My lemon lime drink from menu number 7, MRE menu number 7, beef stew, which I had yesterday. For those of you that are familiar with MREs, you know what I'm talking about. Drink's not bad. Fruit punch is pretty good. Seemed to mix pretty well this time in cold water too. Don't always get that. All right, we start out with our scratch off game. Match the stats. We've got Mark Williamson, Craig Lefferts, Joey Cora. Oh, Kevin Mitchell. Good deal on that. Great photo. We've got Randy Bush, Eric Plunk, Mark Langston, Scott Bales, Jose Lind, Juan Berenguer. That's a great picture of him in the middle of a laugh. Bill Landrum, Jeff Treadway, Rex Hudler. Ooh, got another Wade Boggs. Picked him up in the 88 Topps Cello pack. They're going to give him, well, they gave him card number 10. It was card number 200 in the 88 set. So, Mo Sanford, Danny Tartable, Bob Welch, great picture of Bob there, Tommy Green, Mike Pagliarillo, Brian Hunter, Roberto Kelly, nice, Greg Hibbard, Jose Tolentino, Charlie Lebrant, Kevin Seitzer, Paul McClellan, Don Slott, Jose Hernandez, Ernie Riles, Jeff Robinson, Steve Olin. We've got Bill Swift, manager of the New York Yankees at the time, Buck Showalter, and finally Lonnie Smith. All right, not a bad pack. 92 Topps, 34 cards. Picked up that Wade Boggs. That was key. Prayers go out to Wade. He's dealing with some, I believe, stomach cancer or prostate cancer, one of the two. Hopefully he makes it through as a full recovery. Nice, healthy career with the Red Sox. All right, y'all, thanks for watching.